Accountants, look out! The robots are coming for your job. New technology is changing the future of accounting, and many accountants are afraid that automation and artificial intelligence will replace their jobs. But that fear is misguided for two reasons. Reason number one: new technology doesn't wipe out jobs. It reinvents jobs and even creates them. For example, when the car came along, it created an entirely new industry of jobs centered around the automobile: gas stations, repair shops, manufacturing, and more. In today's world, that means accountants won't simply be replaced by computers or robots. They'll learn new skills and move into more specialized roles. Reason number two: automation can't replace every aspect of an accountant's job. At this point, technology can only replace routine and non-creative tasks. Think data collection, auditing, general ledger, and accounts payable. So no, robots aren't coming for your job. They're coming alongside you and taking up your routine, mind-numbing tasks, freeing you to move into a more advisory, strategic role. But if you ignore the pace of change, you may be left behind. In this climate of innovation, accountants must adapt in order to survive. Many accountants don't want to change. They've learned the ropes, settled into their routines, and prefer to stick with what they know. But the truth is, automation will likely transform the accounting profession within the next decade. Accountants need to be ready. So, how do you prepare? Accountants will likely redefine themselves as strategic advisors. Technology like AI and machine learning will automate rote tasks that take up hours every day, allowing accountants to move into big-picture advisory roles. Accounting firms of the future will use automation to become more efficient, communicate key insights to clients, and continue to build their reputation as trusted advisors. The truth is, change won't end with automation. Technology will continue to advance, and the accounting profession will continue to change. Accountants are up for a tough challenge in the years ahead. But if you learn new skills, stay open to new technology, and anticipate the tide of change, you'll be rewarded with greater opportunities and a more fulfilling role.